Underneath the city lights, a haven awaits. Cafe DC grilled chicken where memories conflate. Sizzling flavors in the air, whispers of delight. In every bite a journey, story takes flight. Cafe DC, where dreams unfold. Grilled chicken, a taste worth gold. Each savory sensation, a love untold. In every moment here, hearts unfold. Tables filled with laughter, friends gather near amidst the